Hello everyone and welcome to Unity Shorts. In the last video we made this rotating green cube. In this video we're going to make it so we can press the R key and it'll change direction. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up our rotate script. And in here we have the rotation thing. And it's rotating by a spin speed. So what we want to do is if input dot get key down. This is looking for if we're pressing a key, and then we'll look for a specific key by doing key code dot R, right? So this is looking to see if we press the R key, and what it's going to do, make the curly brackets, and what it's going to do is this right here. It's going to make spin speed equal to spin speed except times -1, like this, and then make the little semicolon. So when we press R, it switches the speed from a positive or negative number to the opposite one in that list. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and play that, and you can see when we hit the play button and press R, the cube changes the directions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.